Hey guys, Rob from Ultimate Diesel Tuning. One of the most popular four-wheel drives you see on the road these days is the Ford Ranger 3.2 litre. If you have one of these and are chasing better drivability, an improvement in turbo lag when you put your foot down, plus excellent increases in torque, especially for towing duties, then a proper custom dyno tune is your answer. This is a procedure where our specialist engineers remap your factory ECU from scratch. During this process, they'll consider very important factors of what you're using the vehicle for, the age of your engine and the condition, and what your goal is for the tune. This is a customized tuning procedure that is safe and reliable and will get the best results for your vehicle. This will completely improve the drivability of your Ranger, and if you do tow, you'll notice a massive improvement. A custom dyno tune by Ultimate Diesel Tuning will be the best value for money you can spend on your Ford Ranger 3.2 litre. We have performance centres in Brisbane, Gold Coast and Melbourne, so give us a call and chat to us about your Ranger.